Hello everyone, myself Amisha Pandey, student of Shri Shivaji Science College Amravati from BSc Final Year Biotechnology, Group BTP. Presentation on radioisotopes and its application. Contents: definition of isotopes, radioactivity and radioisotopes, the atom, how do radioisotopes occur, radioactivity, properties of radioactive isotopes, emits radiation, diagram, types of radiation, and at last application of radioisotopes. Then definitions. Isotopes are atoms with the same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Second, radioactivity is a spontaneous degradation of nucleus and the transmission of one element to another with consequent emission of rays or particles. Then radioisotopes or radioactive isotopes of an element can be defined as atoms that contain an unstable nucleus and dissipate excess of energy by spontaneously emitting radiation in the form of alpha, beta and gamma rays. Then the atom. All matter is made up of elements. Example, carbon and hydrogen. The smallest part of element is called as atom. Its diagrammatical explanation of atom structure: positive charge proton, negative charge electron. Then the atom consists of two parts: the nucleus, which contains proton and neutron; second, orbiting electron; third, atom of different element contain different number of proton; fourth, the mass of an atom is almost entirely due to the number of proton and neutron; fifth, mass number equals to number of proton plus number of neutron; sixth, A equals to number of proton plus number of neutron; 7, Z equals to number of protons; 8, A minus Z equals to number of neutron; 9, number of neutron equals to mass number minus atomic number. Then how do radioisotopes occur? Naturally, as in radium-226 and carbon-12, artificially altering the atoms by using a nuclear reactor or a cyclotron. A few naturally occurring isotopes and all of the man-made isotopes are unstable. Most of the isotopes which occur naturally are stable. Unstable isotopes can become stable by releasing different types of particles. This process is called radioactive decay, and the elements which undergo this process is known as radioactive isotopes or radioisotopes or radionuclides. Then radioactivity. Radioactivity is a process whereby unstable atomic nuclei release energetic subatomic particles. First discovered 1896 by a French scientist Henry. Nuclear equation. Nuclear equation can be used to show this decay process. This must balance for nucleon number and proton number. Then properties of radioactive isotopes. First, emits radiation. Second, half-life. Third, penetrating property. Fourth, some chemical properties. Fifth, different physical properties. Then emits radiation. Radioactive isotopes are unstable, so they undergo radioactive decay emitting radiation till they become stable. Three types of radiation: first, alpha particle; second, beta particle; and third one, gamma rays. Then its diagrammatical explanation of radioactive atom: energy, radiation and particle. Then types of radiation. First one is alpha particles. Each particle is 2 proton plus 2 neutron. It is identical to the nucleus of helium-4. Relative charge plus 2. Ionizing effect strong. Penetrating effect not very penetrating, stopped by a thin sheet of paper, by skin or by a few centimeters of air. Effect of field deflected by magnetic and electric field. Then second one is beta particles. Each particle is an electron created when the nucleus decay. Relative charge -1. Ionizing effect weak. Penetrating effect penetrating but stopped by a few millimeters of aluminium or other metal. Effect of field deflected by magnetic and electric field. Then third one is gamma rays. Electromagnetic waves similar to the X-ray. Relative charge 0. Penetrating effect very penetrating, never completely stop, through the lead and thick constant with a reduced intensity. Effect of field not very deflected by magnetic and electric field. Then last point is application of radioisotopes. Radioisotopes in medicine. First one, Nuclear medicine uses radiation to provide diagnostic information about the functioning of person, specific organ, or to treat them. Second, radiotherapy can use to treat some medical condition, especially like cancer, using the radiation to weaken or destroy the particular targeted cells. Then radioisotopes in industry. Science and industry use radioisotopes in a variety of ways to improve the productivity and in some cases to gain information that cannot be obtained in other way. Second, mechanism of many reaction of industrial importance such as alkylation, polymerization, catalytic synthesis can be studied using radioactive carbon as tracer. Then radioisotopes in agriculture. Radioisotopes were used for producing high yielding crops, seeds to increase the agriculture yield. Radioisotopes were also used for determining the function of fertilizers in different plants. Radiation from certain radioisotopes were also used for killing insects which damage the food grains. Then second one is radioisotopes and control radiation are used to improve the food crops, preserve foods, determine groundwater resource, sterilize medicine supplies, analyze hormones, X-ray, pipelines, control industrial process and study environmental pollution. Then last application is radioisotopes in bioscience. Radioisotopes are frequently used for tracing metabolic pathways, mixing radiolabel substrate and sample of experimental material and collecting sample at various times, extract and separate the products by chromatography. Then second one is radioisotopes can be used as a tracer within a living organism to trace what is going on inside the organism at an atomic level. That is, the radioisotopes can be injected or ingested by organism and researcher can trace the internal activity using the radioactivity. Then third one is radioactive isotopes find uses in agriculture, food industry, pest control, archaeology and medicine. Radiocarbon dating, which measures the age of carbon bearing atoms, uses a radioactive isotopes known as carbon 14. In medicine, gamma rays emitted by radioactive elements are used to detect the tumor inside the human body. Thank you.